Good morning children. Welcome to science class. So today in this video we are going to see the exercise part of chapter 1 of EVS. This is your EVS textbook children. So all of you take your textbook and open page number 9. Now let's get started. Are you all ready to do it? So let's complete the textbook exercises along with me children. Now let's see. So this is page number 9 and the first page of chapter 1, that is me and my body. So all of you just look at your textbook and start writing along with me children. See, just have a look at this box here. So and read the sentence. Draw or paste your picture in the space below. Then complete the sentences. So this is the space what they said here. So here you need to draw or either you can paste your picture. That has to be done. Take your passport size photo and you can stick here. Now let us have a look at the sentences. Here, my name is. You need to write your name. For example, I have given one name here. So that is P. Shravan. You need to write your name here without mistakes. Next, I am a boy or girl that you need to mention. Okay. Shravan is a boy, so I have written boy. And here I am 8 years old. Shravan is 8 years old and you need to write your age correctly in this blank. Next, I study in class 2. You all are belongs to section E and class 2. So I have written here class second E. You can write the same thing. The name of my school is, you need to write our school name, that is Aradhana Academy. So you need to mention here and don't forget to stick your picture here children. Now you are in class 2, correct? You have grown a year older. Last year you all were in class 1 and now this year you all are promoted to class 2 because you completed your class 1 and you have grown a little older, little bigger since last year. Okay? Next, have you grown a little taller since last year? So you need to mark and check. Every boy and girl, everybody will grow a year by year, a month by month. There will be a difference till 20 to 20 years. Everybody will grow children. So the answer is yes. Next, what are the two things you can do now that you could not do last year? Last year here, Shravan, he was not able to swim in the water and he was not able to dance very well. So, but now, since last year, so this year he can swim and he can dance. So you need not to choose only these options. You can write, you can think and write whatever you can do now. Okay. So in this particular year. Now let's move on to the next page, open page number 13. This is page number 13, the exercises of chapter 1. So here we have A, B, C. So let us have a look at the first one, that is A, fill in the blanks. We have 5 fill in the blanks here. For each fill in the blank you have 2 options and you need to choose the right one. So now let us read and discuss and let us choose the correct option. Here we have dash for our pleasure. So what is pleasure? Feeling of being happy is called pleasure. Okay. So which makes you feel happy, that you need to mention here. So we have two options. One is hobbies and studies. What are hobbies? The activity that we like doing when we are free is called hobby. Okay, that hobby which makes you feel happy, and nobody is going to tell you what you need to do or how you have to do. You are going to do on your own because you love doing it. That creates happiness for you. So that is called a hobby. So what is the correct option here? We have hobbies for our pleasure. Our hobbies makes us feel happy. Next, the stomach is an internal organ. See, because I said it is stomach is an internal organ. Here we have two options, stomach and skin. Skin you can see outside of our body and you can touch it, but you can only point your stomach, but you cannot see it because it is inside our body. So the correct option is stomach. Stomach is an internal organ because it is inside our body. Okay, now let's move on to the third one. Our dash helps us to think. Here we have two options, heart or brain. So heart, what is the main function of heart, children? It purifies our blood and supply the purified blood to all the parts of our body. That is the main function of heart. Whereas brain will give instructions to all the parts of our body. Whatever you are doing in your daily life, eating, reading, jumping, okay, writing, for everything the instructions are coming from brain. All the activities, all the body parts are under the control of brain. Okay, that is why our brain helps us to think. Okay, next, fourth one, the dash helps us to breathe. Here you have two options, lungs and heart. Just now I said what is the main function of heart. Now, so which organ will help us to breathe? Lungs will help us to breathe. Next, fifth one, our dash helps us to taste. Here we have two options. One is skin and tongue. Skin will help us to feel what is happening around us. If something is touched to our body or when we touch something and the shape, whether it is good touch or bad touch and what it is, everything we are going to find out with the help of skin. Okay, we can feel it. And whereas tongue, with the help of tongue, when we are eating something, we can say whether it is tasty or spicy or sweet or sour or bitter. Everything we are able to sense it with the help of tongues. So the right option is tongue. Now let us have a look at B, exercise B, that is match the following. And read here, match the organs with their shadows. So you all know the body parts, right? So here the shadow of few body parts is given and their names given below here, and you need to match correctly by using scale. So don't make snakes, children, without using scale. So all of you just follow that here. So what is this? Which body part it is? It is ear. So what is the function of ear? Ear will help us to hear. This is nose. Nose will help us to smell. Eye helps us to see. Leg helps us to walk. Hand help us to hold things. Eat. Now here are the options given below. So read A. H-A-N-D, hand. So where is the shadow of hand? Here it is. You need to match. Next option B. E-A-R, ear. So where is the shadow of ear? Here it is. Match correctly. Next option C. Leg. L-E-G, leg. So here is the shadow. Match it. And D. Eye. E-Y-E, eye. So match it with I. Next E. Nose. N-O-S-E, nose. So here is the nose. So match it correctly everything, children. Now C. Answer the following questions. So here we have 3 questions and I have already sent answers for this. Now I'll just read it for you for your understanding. Now let us have a look at it. These are the question and answers which I have already sent. If you finished writing this, all of you open your classwork and read along with me. If not, just follow the instructions clearly. Here you have 3 questions, 1, 2, 3 and answer. Question numbers and answer ANS, that should be before margin, children. Before margin, the red line you will have the straight line, before that you need to write, and while writing the question and answer you should always start with capital letter, and after the answer you should compulsorily, okay, you have to put full stop. The sentence should ends with full stop. Okay, let us read the question and answers right now. What are hobbies? Question mark. Give 3 examples. Full stop. Answer. The activities we enjoy doing in our free time are called hobbies. Full stop. Example. Singing, comma, dancing, comma, painting. Full stop. Next question number 2. How is our brain helpful to us? Answer. Our brain help us to think and remember. Our brain help us to think and remember. Full stop. Next question number 3. Write the difference between internal and external organs. Question mark. And divide your notebook into 2 parts with the help of scale. Divide into 2 equal parts, children. One side you write internal organs, the other side you write external organs. Now let us see what is the difference between 2. I am reading the internal organs part. The organs that are inside our body and cannot be seen by us are called internal organs. Example, brain, heart, lungs. External organs, the organs that are outside our body and cannot be seen by us are called external organs. Full stop. Example, hands, legs, nose, ears. Okay. So what is the main difference between 2? Internal organs are inside our body, so we cannot see them. External organs are outside of our body, so we can see them. That is the main difference between 2. Okay, all of you complete your classwork and as well as exercises in your textbook and do post it to me for correction, children. All of you read your textbook and as well as classwork well. Thank you for listening so patiently, children. Have a good day.